so lovely to see so many of you here today, and we're so fortunate to have this wonderful outdoor space that we can actually have a show and you can get to see your children perform. They've been learning about Egyptians, and this is a perfect opportunity for them to share with you some of that learning and for you to listen to their beautiful singing that they've been learning in music as well. So I will now leave it to the experts, as one of our songs say, and
welcome to our cantata, the first live performance in nearly 2 years. It's great to be back. Pay close attention. There may be questions at the end.
We've been learning about Egyptians, pyramids, mummies, and the river Nile. That's our favorite are the mummies.
Ancient Egyptians, let's sing!
Egyptians believed that their pharaohs were gods and that when they died they would travel to the afterlife where they would leave their treasure, their weapons, their body, and their servants.
Praise the great Pharaoh, the one and only once great Tutankhamun.
He's young, he's rich, he's the king, he's the pharaoh, he's dead.
We must wash him.
We must dry him.
Cover him with oil.
And put him in the salt.
And now for Mrs. Brown's least favorite part of the mummification process.
The brain removal.
Take out the liver, yuck. Take out the kidneys, double yuck. But leave the heart.
Now clean it with special salt to preserve the body.
The time has come. Leave him in the concrete case for 40 days and 40 nights. After all that time, all moisture has been sucked away by the salt, and what remained was the dried out remains of the lake. Hooray! Tutankhamun! And so the beginning of the end. The body was preserved and just had to be wrapped in linen. But first let's put false eyes and hair onto the body. We will wrap him. We will cover him. We will bury him safe and sound. And so the body inside the sarcophagus was hidden in a secret tomb in the giant pyramid of the Valley of the Kings. It will remain there for thousands of years, protected by a magic curse from robbers, thieves, and school trips. Howard Carter is the man to find the missing tomb, but that's another story for another day. For now our story draws to its inevitable close. The mummy is hidden, the lessons are learned. There's time only to show you a song that we've been working on. Don't be scared, we're not.
Oh no, what's that? Mommy!
First we wash the body, first we wash the body. Wash away the past, wash away the past. Take out all the organs,
gentlemen, as was so eloquently said at the very beginning, there's been something missing from school for the last 2 years, and it's events like this, the Egyptian Day last week where the children had a fantastic time, and being able to present to a live audience, it can't be beaten. And for year threes to stand up, to speak in front of you, takes a lot of energy, a lot of effort, a lot of bravery as well. So can we give them a massive round of applause for that? Quickly to thank Mrs. Thomas and the TAs who have worked tirelessly not only on Egyptian Day last week but on the performance today. TAs especially been working incredibly hard behind the scenes. So can I have a round of applause for them? Thank you. And finally to Mr. Eden and our marketing team who have streamed live on the ground today across the world on a live performance. So thank you to you for coming out. We've still got 4 more performances and a whole week of this to go as well. Now I have been promised, children, this is a bit of a surprise for you guys actually, because Henley's mum, Annie, has promised that all the parents, because they know the song so well, will do a performance of the song themselves, which I think was lovely. So I'm wondering, are you going to stick with that? Or
Ashley's going to lead it.
Oh, let's get a bit nervous now. What we'll do instead, I'll tell you what, maybe you can join in. Because I've been told you know the words, you've heard them a lot over the last week or so. Yeah, but we'll finish with a little extra encore of our first song, if that's all right. So children, can you stand up for me again? And we're going to have a quick encore. Give them a round of applause, please. Thank you very much. Let's go on to today's show.
Amazing Egyptians, exciting Egyptians.